you on the phone. See, baby, you would like to see that world. Well, first you say no, you got plans for the night. And say it all right. Love is kind of crazy with a sneaky little light.
Yeah.
Yeah.